in the last couple of minutes that we have left, you've worked with generations of Saudis, and you've had the chance to see all of them up close. What's different about this new generation, and how can we build the digital skills that every generation like this needs to thrive?
Well, I think this generation, like their peers in all developed economies, and Saudi Arabia is a developed economy, are restless. They're smart, of course, but they're also restless, and they want to achieve what my generation would wait 10 to 20 years, they want to achieve it yesterday.
Absolutely.
and that's a good thing. I say it with positivity because it is allowing us to climb that learning curve and that transformational journey that we're on very, very fast. We've seen it in the startups that are coming. We've seen it in the skilling of our young people. They're enabled in Saudi Arabia by a great educational system. I am a product myself of the Saudi education system. I studied at Saudi universities as well as at global university, and I can tell you that our universities are equal, if not better, than many of our peers globally, and we have research universities as well as solid educational universities. Men and women are graduating. They're enabled. This generation is enabled, and they're inspired. And what inspires them, in addition to the opportunities that they see, in addition to the ambition, in addition to the confidence that is in their DNA, what inspires them is our leader. His Royal Highness the Crown Prince is a young leader that is inspiring the region and the rest of the world with his vision and his can-do attitude and his ability to deliver and his willingness to take risk on his people, as well as create the enabling environment. So all of it is coming together to unleash the power of this young, able, smart, ambitious generation that is going to take us to the next level and to the next economic revolution that will build on the ones I mentioned earlier.
So we hear people talk about transformation all the time, but I cannot tell you what an honor it is to be in a place and to be talking with a person who's actually doing it. Can we get a wonderful hand for His Excellency the Minister?
Thank you.